Hi guys! So today we're going to do a walk around Flora Fountain and Horniman Circle. I'm going to show you some of my favorite spots around here, starting with this one. So we are right in front of Flora Fountain, which is definitely the most iconic spot in the city. This is the most beautiful part of Bombay, guys. I come here very often and I just sit there and I watch the fountain when it's on because it's just so beautiful. This square is definitely, as I said, the most beautiful spot in Bombay. All around 360 degrees, heritage buildings, and each building has a special story, different architecture. And it's just visually so spectacular that you have to walk around. Let me take you guys around. Guys, how much do you think it cost to build this? Guess. In 1869, 47,000 rupees. That's it for this. How crazy is that? So right here we have the High Court. This is the Bombay High Court here. You have the Oriental building here. You've got Zara here, which I'll get to in a bit. And there's also the other bank building there. All over, guys, each building has its own history, its own story. There are also some great like walking tours and stuff around here if you're interested. I've done a lot of those and I've learned a lot about this district. It is absolutely so interesting. We're also outside one of the oldest and biggest second-hand book markets here, which is really where I used to come with my parents as a kid to buy books. They have everything from fiction to like, you know, those hardcore thick medical books or like educational like textbooks and all of that. And it's just a beautiful walk right opposite Flora Fountain. And even if you're not looking to buy a book, it's just lovely to browse. So behind me is, in my opinion, the most beautiful Zara store in the whole world. Okay, it's definitely the most beautiful one in Bombay, but I think it's the most beautiful one in the whole world. This whole building is just Zara. I'm not going to take you guys inside, obviously, but if you want to shop at Zara, you can go check it out. I'm here to look at it from outside. Look at that view. So right next to Zara, we have Kitab Khana, which is an actual bookstore, which is a rarity these days. That is somewhere I will take you, and they also have a cool cafe inside. Okay, now we're gonna walk straight from Zara all the way to the end of the lane. There's a lot of interesting stuff here. So this is like one of those streets where you can buy everything from a pin to like sneakers to, you know, like their banks. There's everything. This was like the major, like I guess, you know, shopping business hub of Bombay when Bombay was Bombay. And this building behind me is really interesting. So this was named after a guy called Mr. Ready Money. It's called it's the Ready Money building. When I did one of these walks here with Vaibhav, the guide had told us that he was the one who used to loan people money, which is how he got the name Ready Money. And his family still lives here. Another interesting bit of trivia I learned from my heritage walk is you've obviously heard of Churchgate, right? This is where Churchgate gets its name from, this church. So this was kind of like the gate to the city. You have the town hall there, which we'll end at last, which is not town hall anymore. But this was like where Bombay started from. So the church was here, so this was a church gate, and now church gate is a little that side, but that's how it got its name. So right opposite the church is here. We've got Starbucks, we've got some stores here and stuff like that. This is the first Starbucks that opened in India, I think, in Bombay for sure. I remember there was a line all the way till here. The day it opened, I remember coming here to get my first cup of Starbucks coffee right there. And we're walking towards Horniman Circle, which is right there. So this whole area is called Horniman Circle. That's the Horniman Circle garden in the center. I'm going to take you guys to the garden first, then we're going to walk around. But like all around this circle, you will see the most beautiful buildings in Bombay. So a lot of famous Bollywood movies have been shot in this garden, and you have a great view of the old town hall, which is now a library right here, which we're going to go to. But we're going to go out and walk around the circle, as I said earlier. Now you'll see the buildings along the circle are all uniform. You'll see the faces on each one, and they all look very similar. It starts right here from the red iconic Bombay Samachar building, which is one of the oldest newspapers. And as you walk along, I'm sure you will recognize this part, even if you're not from Bombay. It's in movies, it's in ads, it's on every content creator's page, including mine. Every Sunday, this is like shoot central. Everybody's shooting here. So we also have some very famous luxury brand stores here. You have Louboutin, you've got MS there. And these two, I think, are the most beautiful of all the buildings here. They all look the same, but these are like the best maintained. So we are here at our final destination. This is the Asiatic Society of Mumbai, which used to be the town hall. So growing up, I thought this was a court because that's what I saw in every Bollywood movie, and I'm sure you've seen it too. But today again, as I said, a lot of people come to chill here, to shoot. Right now it's empty because it's still very sunny. But after sunset, this whole staircase is going to be full of people. And people just chill here, people watch, take photos, shoot stuff and chill. So it's actually best to see it from across the road because you really see the expanse of the whole space. When you're on the steps, it's really up close. But it is really, really beautiful from here. You can see the whole building, and I think this is the best time to come right now. It's 4:20, sun is right on it. So if you want to get photos, be here in the evening. So this is the last spot on our walk, and this is where I'm going to sit and people watch. You can see now the stairs are full. People are coming in to take their pictures, sit down and just chill. And this is a lovely spot to kind of watch the sunset, just people watch, car watch and enjoy all the Bombay heritage in one glance. So guys, I hope you liked the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and comment below with what other locations in Bombay we should do next. See you!